Well, hey everybody, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Well, we have got a huge, giant surprise for y'all. But first, I'm gonna let Hunter tell y'all what we got him for his birthday. What did we get you for your birthday?
Tickets to the Braves game.
Tickets to the Braves game. So, you guys may not know, Hunter and I are huge Braves fans, and we got him some tickets to the Braves game, so we're gonna go checking that out pretty soon. But was you excited? Did you think you would ever get to go to a Braves game?
No.
No, because Georgia's a long ways, right?
Yeah, but luckily we're stopping there.
Yeah. So, but as soon as Lindy and Hallie get out here, we're going to go over this way and show you guys the surprise. Some of y'all may have a clue what it is, but don't go anywhere. Stay tuned, and we'll catch up with you guys later on in this video. What do we have here? Who is this? Hazel, and what is that? Y'all, meet Honey. You guys have seen Hazel, but here's Honey. Now they are no relation, although Honey is trying to make Hazel her mama. So as you guys can see, we've actually had them for a short bit now. We've kind of been letting them get used to the place before we broke them out on camera. We are bottle feeding Honey right now. As you can see, she is ready. She is ready for her bottle right now. She's biting me. But they're both as gentle as can be. See, Hazel right here.
Hi.
What's up, girl?
Hi. Whoa. Ow. That hurt. This teeth more fun.
Ow!
Yeah.
She kisses.
Honey does too, but she bites. She tries to, but she just keeps biting. Don't. Now, Honey, he used to stick his fingers in the cage and like let it stuck on it, but now it bites on him.
Yeah, you can't do that anymore. Ow.
Just like that. That's like that. Oh, Honey.
Honey. Oh, look at her lips.
Here, Honey. Here, Honey. Hazel. Here, Honey.
Come here, Honey.
I don't want it.
Honey. Yeah, look at that.
How many ounces does she drink? Ooh, Coke. She drinks it in like 30 seconds. You got slides on, Daddy. You got slides on.
You got slides on?
Yeah, I got slides on and you too. It's a slide.
Honey, are you feeding Honey? I got a fan out here, and Hazel loves standing in front of it. It kind of keeps the flies off of her, and it has a nice little breeze.
You do it now, Mama. Let me come in.
Hold on, don't climb on the fence.
Get off it.
I think she likes it. You can always tell by the little tail flip.
Her eyes keep squinting.
Real fast. Oh, hey, wait.
Last little bit. I gave her like 14 ounces.
Honey. I don't care.
Oh, sorry.
Pick that up. Hand it to Mama. There we go.
He knows what.
Hudson, what's behind you?
What's her name?
All gone, baby.
Hazel, who's this? Honey and Hazel?
What's that Hazel name?
So hopefully you guys are ready for a bunch of cute little deer videos while she's young.
Mine.
Yes, look all over her
Oh,
nose.
I lost something to it. Yeah, I saw that.
What's wrong?
No.
Was you in a deer sandwich? Oh, what are you doing in there?
It's cooling off. Look, he's getting it.
What? Hey, stay out of that water.
My toe. He really bit my toe. Baba. That's not nice.
That's not nice. What do you want to show me?
My watermelon.
Why?
It's getting big.
Is it getting big? Huh?
See it. Watermelon.
Everything's poopy.
Watermelon.
All right, so like I said, be looking for a lot more deer videos now.
Come on.
Now that we got them over here, past inspection, everything is good to go. So we're excited. Hopefully you guys are excited for us. It's just something different here on the homestead that we've been looking forward to for a long time, and it's finally happening. Huddy's getting a little watering, I guess, while he's checking his watermelon plant right there. We're gonna go over here, and apparently we have a huge watermelon over here. We'll see what that means. I see it. That's big. Is that the one you were talking about?
Yes.
That's small.
What?
Just kidding.
Look at this
Yeah, a couple good ones.
There's one right there.
Up here's another one.
Right there. Right there.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, got one in the
I
okra.
think it's about as big as that
One
one.
over there.
Look,
These aren't getting any water.
right there, right there.
Yeah, this is a big one.
Just one big one. You want to see mine?
Yeah, let's go see yours.
It's big.
It's big?
No, almost.
Almost big?
Look,
Yeah, look at this one. Whoa, got that one. Yeah, you got like 4 or 5 of them.
look at that one. No, you are.
Good job, buddy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them.
Alrighty, guys. Well, that's all we got this evening. In the morning, we'll catch back up with you guys. And this is actually the first night they've been together. The first night that Honey has stayed outside. So we'll check back with her in the morning, give you guys an update, and then we'll catch up with you guys later on in this video. Alrighty, guys. Well, it is the next morning. I got this little bottle here. We're gonna come out here and check on her. I do see her. That's a plus. Let's see if she'll come up to this fence and feed properly. So here you go, honey. Look at her, honey. Yes. Do you like that? Good job, girlfriend. Good job. Ow, ow. What up, Hazel? What's up, Hazel? Come say hi to everybody. Alrighty, just checking on you this morning. We got a few errands to go run. See you later.
It says Parker, stay still.
That's fine. Man, that blind is completely destroyed right there, probably from the tornado that ripped through here. I'm gonna go take a look at it. I need to get my, so I'm out here pulling blinds and stuff and cameras, and yeah, that thing's completely destroyed. That is not good. I hope my other one's fine, but I don't know. Let's go check it out. Man, destroyed. Destroyed. Liable to be a big old snake under this too. There's rattlesnakes out in here. Let's check it out. Surprisingly, no, I don't see one. Well, I don't have a lot of room on that side-by-side, so I'm gonna grab this chair right now. And this pull rope for Hunter's crossbow that we left on the chair. And we're gonna head on to spot number 2. Alrighty guys, we just pulled up to spot number 2, and as you can see, the same results. This is a prime example on why you do not wait until July. This is a prime example on why you do not wait until July to come out and take care of your deer hunting stuff. When you are done hunting, go get it. I know you're tired, you're worn out, you're burned out, been hunting hard all year. But take one extra trip and gather your stuff. This ended up costing me about $300 to replace those 2 blinds. So major mistake. Plus there's spider webs, snakes, and ticks out right now. So it's just best to just get it over with in January. You hear that? There's a deer back there. Pretty sure it's a deer. Sounded like it, didn't it? They normally bed right where it breaks on that hillside there. So I would imagine it would be a deer. But I'm gonna pull this camera, put some batteries in it, and I'll probably set these cameras back out pretty soon and put a tripod feeder out right here in this opening and just see what's in the area and try to get a little grasp on what I have to hunt next year. So catch up with you guys later on in the video. So I'm gonna leave these blinds in place, and that way the deer will be used to seeing this big bulky thing right here, because they were a little iffy of them when I first put them out last year. So I'm gonna leave them here. That way they stay used to seeing a bulky thing here, and then I'll come back before season starts and replace them with new blinds, and it should be business as usual for the deer in this area. So we're gonna head on back down the hill.